I'm Mandy Kit. This is my 1978 hopcap, Tastic conversion. I got it as a gift. My name is on it with the gift. And
a gift.
Yeah, that was nice,
wow, that's a nice gift.
It has the original paint, the Indian Chief. The van's called the Chief. And I love I call it a ribbon, called bow tie, whatever. You know, all original paint, portholes, Kragers,
Oh yeah.
white walls out. They could probably look. And here's the conversion. It's a Tastic by Hopcap. There's so many vans came out of Indiana.
Yeah.
And this was, we got it in Chicago and went out in one day and drove it back.
Wow.
Yeah, third owner. There's their logo.
Oh.
For Hopcap. There's only a handful of these that are left. I mean, the paint and the interior, which we can see is original too. No, well, yes, I do have a roof rack. It wasn't on, you know, it actually has a fan that's supposed to go up there too. But it wouldn't fit in the garage in Chicago where we had gotten it from. So that they had taken it off and, you know, welded a plate and it's.
Okay.
Yeah, the Chief's here too. I love him. And the interior. So this is how I usually rock it. You know, this does go up into a bench seat, but I sleep in it so much that, you know, I just keep it down in the bed. There's the plugs and the portholes back there. Those bunnies are not necessarily Playboy bunnies. Those are the Tastic bunnies. The Hopcaps bunnies. And then, so I had went on the Wild Cherry run, and when we were there, not this van, I was sidekick in Hotel California, but there's, in the Grand Canyon, we got those from, yeah, it's a medicine wheel.
Oh, medicine wheel.
Yeah,
oh.
and then the peace pipe above it. And we got it there at the Grand Canyon by Tribe, which was cool.
Yeah.
And then my first aid stuff, because, you know, old vans you need.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You need a fire extinguisher, everybody.
Absolutely. And you got both your chairs swivel around.
Yeah.
Custom steering wheel I see up there.
Well, yeah, you know, the one I had was broken, you know, that jalopy kind of steering wheel. But I think that we put a collapsible one in there.
Yeah, looks great. You got your CB up above.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we do so many runs in caravans, you need to be able to communicate, and it's fun. My daughter loves it. You know, it's like we've had it for like maybe 4 or 5 years, and so she's kind of grown up in it. She loves trucking.
That's great. Very cool. A lot of storage under the bed, I see.
Oh man, you don't even know what's all under there.
Very nice.
Thanks.
Very nice.
So this is the Chief, you know, on the front, so everyone knows. Because, you know, I don't have it written all over the side. You know, I got the guys on the side, so. But I love this van. Not the original bow tie, by the way, but we gotta love the Chevy. And it does have the original. It does have the original 350 in it, so it looks good under there. Everything's good. 80,000 miles. I think when I picked it up, maybe it had 74.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah. And we're having a great time here. It's so beautiful. And definitely plan on doing more. I mean, it's a lifestyle.
Good people.
Yeah, I love the people.